Good morning, everyone. I hope all are safe. In last class of the graphics, we had just started the graphics and just seen the importance of include graphics.h. Okay, then we have seen, means if we talk about the recap, then we have seen the color and color codes, 16 colors available. I'm just writing in brief. Okay, pixels are like coordinates. Okay, that is 640 into 480, that is like this, 640 rows and 480 columns. So this kind of dots forms the pixels. Okay, mostly in VGA. Clear? Now we'll go further in detail. Of how to use graphics, how to draw the shapes. Okay, because under graphics.h header file we are able to do decorations that we have seen in the previous program. Okay, but if we want to add shapes and animations, we need to use initializing graphics system. This we have seen in last class. What are these things that we have seen in last class? Okay, so I'll discuss one more time. Initialize graphic system means in it graph GD, GM and pathway. My pathway is this, C colon double slash turbo C3 double slash BGI. Okay, BGI. So this is my initial graphic system I need to initialize, and integer data types are GD, GM, and GD is always initialized to the value detect, so as to check the compatibility of the monitor. Okay, to check the compatibility of the monitor we require detect. Now GM will check the mode of display. Okay, and remember this thing, this both are of pointer type, that is why we are adding %, over here, so as to store at the perfect address. Okay, this is by default available in the graphics.h file. Okay, and this init graph is necessary so as to draw the shapes or animations. Okay, now we'll see how to draw the shapes and animations. I will check how to draw the shapes and animations. Now for example, if I want to draw line. Okay, if I want to draw a line, what I'm going to do, then I will, okay, this kind of line function I will use. Okay, original syntax is line x1 y1, x2, y2, like this. And see here you are going to mention the coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2 means for if you see in the output screen, okay, which consists of 0, 0, 639, 479. Okay, so if I put like this line 50, 50, 100, 150. Okay, so for example, if 50, 50 is the dot over here, from there I have to go towards 150. So this will be like 100, 150. This kind of output you will get. Okay, this kind of output you will get in the screen. You have to mention the coordinates where x1 and y1 are starting coordinates, x2 and y2 are ending coordinates. Okay, clear? This is one function line. Now another function available in the line family is line2 function. Let's check what is the use of this particular function. Line2 function is used, okay, used to draw a line from current position to a specific coordinate. Now how to check the current position? For checking the current position there is one more function available, move to x, y. Move to x means these are the x and y coordinates. This is similar to the go to xy, but here go to xy, in that x was column, y was rows, that here x and y are coordinates. Okay, so these are much more accurate compared to this. Okay, so most of the case move to is used. Okay, use this particular thing, just pay attention. If I write down like this, move to 50, 50. Okay, so in my output screen, which consists of 639 into 479 coordinates, dots. Okay, so move to 50, 50 means it will move to, my point will reach over here. Then I can write line2 100, 150. So from here only my line will start and it will go towards 100, 150. Okay, now you check the line. In line function we are not using move to, but we need to mention all the 4 coordinates. But if you don't want to mention all the 4 coordinates, if you just mention the initial position of the cursor with the help of move to, then you just need to use the function line2 and mention the ending coordinate. So from the starting point, that is from move to, it will start to this particular end. Okay, this is the use of line2 and move to. Okay, so let's move towards another line function family, that is relative line. Relative line function is used, syntax is line rel, line rel, line rel, that is line relative. Now what does this mean? See, this is very much important, okay, because it may create confusion many times. Okay, this is used to draw a line, used to draw a line from current position to a point, please pay attention, to a point by specifying its distance relative to current position. Now understand this point. I use relative. Check this word out. Relative. What does this mean? I will just explain with the help of a diagram. Okay, so initially I am writing in the program move to 50, 50. Okay, so in output screen a dot will be created over here at 50, 50, say, for example. Okay, then I am writing line rel 100, 0. Now what does this mean? This means it will check the relative distance. Relative distance means 50 plus 100, that is 150 for x axis. So from 50 to 150 it will go, and it is 0 over here. For y it will be 50 plus 0, that is 50. So it will remain horizontal, so it will go up to 150, 50. See, this is the relative distance they are checking. Okay, because initial position was at 50, 50, and you're moving towards, say, distance relative from 50 you want to keep 100. This distance is nothing but 100. So what you are doing? Line relative 150, difference is 100, relative distance is 100, 0, relative distance is 50. Okay, so for that particular thing you need to write down like this: line relative 100, 0. You don't need to write like this: line relative 150, 50. This is wrong. Okay, if you write like this, syntax is right, but what you will get an output. See, output for this, you have initially moved to 50, 50. Okay, then you have typed line relative 150, 50. So what will be the output? Check. See, 50 plus 150, that is 200. Okay, x will be 50 plus 150, that is 200, and y will be 50 plus 50, that is 100. Okay, so this line will move like this: 200, 100. You expected straight line, but you are getting slant line because of this, because relative distance has been increased. Okay, please understand this particular thing. I will repeat once more. See, line relative, what happens in line relative? In line relative, it will take relative distance. What do you mean by relative distance? Relative distance means, for example, if you write down like this: move to 100, 100. So in an output screen, cursor will reach over here at some point 100, 100. Now if you write line 2, 200, 200, then line 2 means it will go like this. जहाँ पे भी 200, 200 आ रहा है वहाँ पे वो लाइन खींच देगा. ठीक है, क्लियर. बट इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस यू आर राइटिंग लाइन रिलेटिव. आपको कहाँ पहुँचना है? 200, 200 भी पहुँचना है. तो सेम लाइन आपको ड्रॉ करना है विद हेल्प ऑफ लाइन रिलेटिव. व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू? 100, 100. So your new x will become 100 plus 100, that is 200, and y will become 100 plus 100. So this is the basic difference between line 2 and line relative. I hope it is clear. So please don't get confused. Okay, it's just a function that you should know. Now you know how to draw the lines. Okay, now you know how to draw the lines. Now Now you know how to draw the lines, but you should also know to set the colors. Okay, we have studied, we have seen 16 colors. Okay, so for how to give colors to the text, that you know, with the help of text color or text bk color, we can set the background of the text. Okay, now what if I want to give the color to the shape? Now we want to give color to shapes. Okay, so for that, functions available are set color. Okay, in this you can mention set color 4. So after that you write down line 50, 50, 100, 150. So this particular line coordinates will be of color red. Okay, and background of the red and the background you want to set. Okay, then set bk color cyan. Okay, so with line will be red color and background will be of cyan color. Clear? Same function. Okay, now if you want to write down outside some line, for example, now you know how to draw the line. Okay, you have drawn one line, but on that you need to write down hello. Okay, so this hello h has started with some starting coordinates. So you should be good in the writing coordinates. Okay, so that you can type the message wherever you require. Now how? There is one function available named out text and out text xy. Now how to use both of this? Please pay attention. If you use like this out text, you can write message or print message anywhere you require from the current position available. So if the final position you have mentioned, if final position is 100, 100, so from there it will print the message. But if you use out text xy, you need to mention the x coordinate, you need to mention the y coordinate, comma, then print the message. Okay, so for example, this is my output screen. This is a kind of line 50, 50, 100, 150. If this is the case, I want to print a message over here, hi. Okay, so check out the coordinates. See, it is greater than 50. Okay, so for horizontal, if you check, it is greater than 50. For example, if I take this h has been started from 75, so I can write down like this: out text xy 75, 80, message hi. So at this particular coordinate, this particular message will be printed. So you can decide where you want to print the message. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now let's do some program so that you can understand how to use all this thing. Okay, so let's go to your lab programs. Let's go to your lab programs. Okay, first of all, check the modification. In modification, see how they are started. Most important things that you need to write is, first of all, include st.h, conio.h, and then आपका main thing, that is graphics.h. Now if you want to just decorate the program, like which is a greater number, which student is brightest, which has scored the average marks is higher, for that you just need to use the graphics. No need to initialize the graphic system. Initialization of the graphic system is only for drawing shapes and animations. Okay, remember this particular thing. Okay, so now first step, void main. Okay, after that integer gd. See, I'm directly initializing gd is equal to detect, because in last class also I mentioned detect we need to write down, because detect is kind of a macro which helps to check, monitor type. Okay, inbuilt macro. So I'm initial, and gd and gm both are of integer data type, so I'm mentioning this as integers. Okay, and directly initializing gd is equal to detect. Okay, and obviously apna favorite clear screen. After that, init graph, see what I'm doing, init graph, initializing the graphic system, find the drivers, find the mode, and path to display the output is this. You try a program by not mentioning the path. Okay, check the output, you will see just a blank screen, you will not see any error. Okay, so if you mention like this turbo c3 bgi, okay, at that time you are able to see the output at that particular location, because graphics should know where the output should be shown. Okay, because it doesn't know, it has a space of complete cell library or complete your memory. So you need to mention location. Current screen location is turbo c3 bgi. In that there are 639 into 479 coordinates. In that you have to mention all the things. Okay, now what I'm trying to do, set color 1. Set color 1 means blue color. Okay, background I don't want to keep, I don't want background. And then I'm typing all the things available in the modification program. You have to type all these things. Okay, check the output. After this, do get ch, close the graphic system, check the output. What is the output that you are getting? Okay, check the output, what you are getting. In an output screen, you will see a star formed, sorry, of blue color, obviously. Like this you will see then output. Okay, now you have to modify it, okay, by writing star in the middle. So what I'm trying to modify by writing star in the middle, for that I'm writing out text xy. Now see, as you mentioned the coordinates over here, so based on that predict, if I'm predicting that 85 40 and type the message star, this might be in middle, so it will show like this. And if it's showing somewhat here, somewhere here, somewhere here, adjust the coordinate accordingly. Okay, like that your mind should work, because now you know what are the coordinates. You already studied maths, also in 11th 12th standard you have studied the coordinate geometry. Okay, so you should know what should be position, or try or take out the paper and draw it so that you can understand it better. Okay, by trial and error you will get a star at the center. Similarly, you have to type the message hello. Now it's not required how to tell you that to write the messages. Okay, with the help of out text xy you can type any messages anywhere you want to. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, I hope this is clear. See, if you are facing any kind of doubt, please mention it, I will teach you again. I will take again same lectures, no need to worry. But this is just a syntax and simple understanding of the coordinate geometry, nothing else. Okay, so if whenever you are facing problem, just please ask me. Okay, so by this the sample modification of the program has been done. Okay, now we'll check some main programs of how to draw a square. Okay, write a program to draw a square So we will include many things. To draw square, to write square at center, okay, then square side entered by user. Anything else you want to include? This will cover your 2 programs, no issue. Okay, so these are the things that we are going to do. Side entered by user. Let us draw square of size, say, let me keep 100. Okay, then side entered by user. Okay, one by one we'll check everything. How to draw square. Okay, now just pay attention how I'm writing program. ये तो चाहिए ही, दिस आर आवर फेवरेट्स, इसको भूलना नहीं है कभी भी. Okay, now comes the main part. Integer gd is equal to detect. ये सब पहले लिख ही देना है आपको when you are using the graphics. Okay, like this. स्क्रीन तो मैं अपने लिए साफ करता हूँ, बाकी लोगों को करना है ना करे, खुद की मर्जी. In 8 graph initializing the graphic system to check the drivers, modes and pathway is turbo C3 BGI. Okay, now I'm setting the color. Set color, मेरे को कौन सा नंबर याद रहता है हर बार? 4. Okay, मेरे को 4 ही नंबर याद रहता है. Okay, and I'm setting the background color to be, नंबर याद नहीं है, but I know the letters and I know the spelling. Okay, that is the important thing. Cyan. Okay, so this is my requirement. Clear? Now what I'm telling my cursor, move to say 50,50. Okay, I will mention the output as well so that you can understand it better. This is the output screen. Okay, now see, I have written move to 50,50. So here in output screen a cursor will be there at 50,50. Okay, so cursor एक point आ गया आपके पास. Now I am writing line to 150,50. Now see, line 2, I am not using line relative, I am using line 2. तो line 2 में कैसा होगा? See, y coordinates are same, but it is going towards 150. Now this point will be 150,50. Then I am writing line 2 कितना 100 ऐड करना पड़ेगा ना, और इसको कॉमन रखना है. ओके, सो 150,150. so it will go like this. This is your 150,150. again line 2, because line 2 will start from the current position. Okay, I have written previously also from current position to specified coordinates. Current position is 150,150 to the specified coordinates. Now specified coordinates will be 50,150. So it will go like this. This will be 50,150. Again line 2 50,50. Go like this. Okay, square बन गया आपका. Okay, each and every sides will be of 100. Okay, same thing you can also do with the line relative, line REL. Okay, how to do that you try yourself, no issue, but just remember one thing, it will add up. Okay, it will add up, the coordinates will be added up because it will check the relative distance between the two things. Okay, and if the same axis you want to draw horizontal line, then the y axis will remain 0 because it will add the previous, from the move to it will add the axis. Okay, I hope it is clear. Just try. If you are facing any doubt, just let me know. Now I want to type square. Now check. Now how to type a, see, now let's check the object. To draw the square, ये हो गया अपना. Now Second part is to write a square at center. Now we will do this. Okay, now I want to do that. I want to write down square at center. So how to write it down? At center I want to write down, so I will use obviously out text xy. Now I need to mention the coordinate. See, ये भी 100 है, ये भी 100 है. आपने स्टार्ट कहाँ से किया? 50,50. तो 50 से 150 के बीच में, ठीक है, 50 से 150 के बीच में. तो एक्स एक्सिस कितना रखूँ मैं? डिस्टेंस तो 100 है, और 75 कर दूँ, 100 कर दूँ, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा ये लाइन. ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी 100 कर दूँ तो ये लाइन. क्यों 100? क्यों 50 नहीं? 50 से स्टार्ट किया है, तो रिलेटिव अगर 100 करना तो सेंटर, तो ये सेंटर पकड़ेंगे अपन. ठीक है, तो 100,100 करूँ. If I write down 100,100, then it will start whatever thing will I want to write, it will start from here. But just imagine if I write down square over here, तो यहाँ से S स्टार्ट होगा आपका. पता चल रहा है? पूरा स्क्वायर मुझे बीच में चाहिए. यहाँ से only your S will start. Okay, that's the initial starting of a letter square S. S will start from this particular center. So what I am going to do, I will write down here 75,100. So this square will be shifted off. Okay, this square will be shifted off. So 700 से आप y axis will be 100, for x axis it will start from like this. Clear? Now if you want to change the color of this, you can write down over here set color, say blue, that is 1. Then write down this, so the square will be printed in blue color. I hope it is clear. Okay, you can change the color, no issue. It depends upon you if you want to change it or not. That you can do by trial and error at your PC at home. Clear? So we have completed one more objective, that is write down the square at center. Now square set entered by user. एंटर बाय यूज़र के लिए क्या करना है आपको? एंटर बाय यूज़र के लिए mention integer s. Okay, mention integer s, and then okay, I'll write entire new thing or else you will get confused. वैसे कंफ्यूज नहीं होंगे, भी आपको सब कुछ आता है, फिर भी सेफ्टी के लिए. तो यहाँ पे इनिशियल ग्राफिक सिस्टम के बाद आई विल स्टार्ट printf enter the side of square. Okay, scanf %d %s. Done. Okay, now what I'm going to change, please pay attention. पे अटेंशन. ये टाइम में कुछ खाने पीने मत बैठ जाओ प्लीज़. देखो मैं एक ही प्रोग्राम में सब कुछ लिख रहा हूँ. ठीक है, व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, मूव टू 50,50. सो इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अ 50,50. सो दिस इज द पॉइंट ऑफ 50,50. okay, from that I am writing, say s in output you have mentioned 100. So what you are going to write, s plus 50, 50. okay, s plus 50 मतलब ये हो गया आपका 150, 50. then you are going to write s plus 50, s plus 50. okay, then you are going to write 50, s plus 50, 50, 50. ठीक है, now you keep on changing s, as your side will keep on changing. Okay, that thing you can enter by the user. Okay, I hope it is clear. So at home your task try modification program. Okay, why I'm writing this? Because in modification program there is a function named flood fill used. Okay, this flood fill function is used. Flood fill function will completely fill a particular shape with a color you want. Okay, but if for that you need to write down a coordinate within this particular shape, otherwise it will flood fill the entire screen and you will not be able to see the output. Okay, so here modification flood fill is mentioned, so try using flood fill and without flood fill. You can check the difference and report me. That thing you have to report me in comment section or by mail, no issue. My mail ID is okay, Neeraj Nair, nirajnair.ch@ddu.ac.in. Second, try lab program for square, and if any difficulty, please let me know. Okay, so in next class we'll start with circle, sine wave and other important things. Why from next class? Because in those classes your mathematical concept should be strong. Mathematical concept are required. Okay, so what is the equation of circle, for sine wave, what are the equations available? Please go through it. We'll discuss it in next class. Okay, thank you.